Hi guys, my name's James. Now, I work in the finance sector, and a lot of people are very confused about what gives them good credit. Now, I'm here to say there's a heck of a lot of misinformation out there. And one of the main reasons there's misinformation is that a lot of lenders have different criteria that they use, and some people, even if they've got perfect credit, will get declined certain credit because the banks want to make money. Now, to repair your credit rating, a lot of people take out like a Vanquis, Aqua or Capital One credit card. Now they're great for repairing your credit. Now what you're not meant to do is max them out and then leave them at their limit, paying the minimum payment. What you're meant to use those repairing credit cards for is instead of cash. So you buy your lunch at work and your petrol on the card, and you have a direct debit, so at the end of the month you pay it off in full. That means you don't pay interest on what you've used on the card, and you've potentially earned interest on the cash that's in your bank because you've not used that cash until the end of the month. Okay? So it's a way to both make a little bit of money, only pennies, or repair your credit rating. Another way to repair your credit rating is get on the electoral register. That helps, along with having a landline telephone. I know it seems very silly, but it shows that you've got commitment to stay in an area and that you're more reliable. Next, if you're paid in cash, make sure you put that cash into your bank account. Now this doesn't count if you're self-employed. If you're self-employed, your proof of income is your SA 302, or you submit a tax return, or you have an accountant do audited accounts or unaudited accounts. Now, another way to repay your credit is paying off old defaults. Now, when you defaulted on something, it means you've not paid it for quite a long time. It's probably just sitting there on your credit file. Get your credit file for free from Noddle, Noddle, and have a look at what's on your credit file. And if there are any old defaults, pay them off. Now, how you pay them off is by ringing up the debt collector and saying, I'd like to pay this off. I'll give you 10% today. And if they say no, hang up the phone. Try again a week or two later. Hi, you've got a debt here. I'll offer you 10% to pay it off, or I'm not paying anything. Take it or leave it. Okay? And you'll probably get a big discount on it. 50 is the absolute highest you should pay if it's over a year or two old. You should be able to get a very good settlement figure from them. And just those 3-4 little things are a really big help to getting more affordable credit. Now, banks want you to have credit, they want you to have debt. Now, if you have a credit card and it's at its limit, if it's been at its limit for more than 2 years, you have a serious financial problem. Okay? You need to pay that card off. You don't need to take out any more credit. Everyone takes out more credit than they can manage, more than they can afford. Because the banks will give you credit like nobody's business if you have a decent credit rating. I was offered a £5,000 on my credit card yesterday. That's why I'm making the video. Now, that's what they want. They want you to take out the big old credit card, spend it all on a bunch of shit, like a sofa and clothes, and then pay it forever. 10, 20 years down the line, you've been paying £100 a month. You still owe £4,000 because of the interest. You pay £100 a month, 80 quid goes towards the interest, 20, maybe even 10, maybe even less goes towards paying off the actual capital, and you're paying for years. So it's just something to consider. Do be careful with your finances. Everyone should do something called an income and expenditure. You can find loads of online for free. There's apps on your phones. I can do it with an old-fashioned pen and paper. 2 columns. Everything that comes in, everything that goes out. Sit down with a 30-day or maybe even 2-month bank statement and put everything in, line by line, and just see how much money you're pissing away down the toilet, buying a £3 lunch every day. At the end of the month, it's over £100 odd. We could go towards a lovely holiday once a year. It's people are idiots. You're an idiot. I'm an idiot. We're all idiots.